If you're seeing Gmail error code 0X800Ccc0E, don't worry. This usually means your email app, like Outlook or Windows Mail, can't connect properly to Gmail's IMAP or SMTP servers. The good news is that in most cases, this is a connection or settings issue, and it can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get Gmail working again, and if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump in. First, check whether you have a VPN or proxy turned on. A VPN or proxy can sometimes interfere with the connection between your email app and Gmail servers. If you're using one, turn it off temporarily and then try syncing your email again. This single step solves the problem for many users because Gmail needs a stable and direct connection for IMAP and SMTP to work correctly. Next, refresh the connection in your email app. If you're using Outlook or Windows Mail, close the app completely and then reopen it. If the app is already running in the background, a simple restart can force it to reconnect to the mail server and clear temporary connection glitches. After reopening, give it a moment to sync and check whether the error disappears. If the issue is still there, the next thing you need to verify is whether IMAP is enabled in your Gmail settings. Open your browser and go to the Gmail settings page for forwarding and POP or IMAP. You can access it by going to mail.google.com and opening the forwarding and POP or IMAP section. Make sure IMAP is turned on, because if IMAP is disabled, your email app will not be able to connect properly to Gmail. Once you've confirmed IMAP is enabled, check the IMAP settings themselves. Make sure your email app is configured with the correct Gmail server information, because the wrong incoming or outgoing server settings can trigger error code 0X800Ccc0E. If needed, compare your app settings with Gmail's recommended IMAP configuration and update anything that looks incorrect. This includes making sure the account is using the proper connection type and that the server details match Gmail's requirements. After you've adjusted the settings, go back to your email app and try sending or receiving mail again. In many cases, the connection will start working once VPN issues are removed, the app is refreshed, and IMAP is properly enabled in Gmail. If the error is gone, you're all set. If you still see the error, double check each step one more time. Make sure the VPN is off, the app has been fully restarted, and Gmail IMAP is active. Small setting mismatches are often the reason this error keeps coming back, so it's worth reviewing everything carefully. And that's how to fix Gmail error code 0X800Ccc0E quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.